Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change your search engine. So for example, if you want to change your search engine from Safari to Google or Google to Yahoo, etc., I will show you the easiest way possible. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the settings app. Here in the settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you see this search option. Simply tap on it. Here you can see the search engine. Tap on it. You can see for now I have the Google as a search engine, but if I want to change it, I can choose Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo or Ecosia. So I will go with Google, and if you want to change it, you can simply do it from here. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.